Okay, so here we are. I found this maybe the most important tip for the Apple Airpod, and I will show you what I mean. When you open it, you get the name Airpod or whatever, the default name. But if you want that if you lose your case or your AirPods and someone find them and the honest finder will give it back to you, so the thing that you should do is this: open the case like this, leave it open, and then go to your Bluetooth settings. I will go from here, Bluetooth, and then again Bluetooth, long press, Bluetooth settings, and then you have your AirPod. So go to I, information, sorry, okay, it is not connected, so again, wait for it to be connected. I will connect it again, and now when it is connected, again need to connect first, because if you don't connect you can change the name. Now it is connected. After it is connected, you tap on the I, and then you tap on the name, and then I will give the name that I want. So it will be, of course, my name. And then this is the strongest tip with my number. Sorry, the number was incorrect. And then you just do nothing. When it is open, you go back, and now it remember the new name. I will show you. If I close it and reopen it, okay, again, it is now giving my name with my phone number. And if someone is honest and will find the case or the earpod and try to connect, of course he needs the case, because without the case he can connect. But the name is burnt not in the case, it's in the earpod themselves. So if you will find your case or your earpod and he open it, then he find your number and he can call you back and return it if he is honest. So I find this the most important tip for AirPods. Thank you and bye bye.